Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our first chapter, that is the crop protection. In the previous video already you have known that you have studied that what is that agricultural practices, that is there are 7 basic practices are there. One is soil preparation of the soil, second one is sowing of the seeds, third one is applications of manure and fertilizers. So already you have studied that what is the preparation of soil and sowing of seeds. But in the application of manure and fertilizers, manure about that you have studied that in the previous video. But students, today we are going to discuss about that. What is that advantage of using manure? Yes, we have using that manure. There are 3 ways. That is farmyard manure, okay, green manure, and compost. 3 ways we are using that manures. And but students, today we are going to discuss about that. What are the disadvantages? If instead of fertilizers, if you will use that manure, what it will give benefit for us, or what is that? It is advantages we will discuss. Okay, students, you know that manure. Manure means what is that? Which one farm is making in its farmyard or in its outside. Okay, and it is generally organic matter. The manure is one of the organic matter which are deriving from the like plants or animals or the waste things or the vegetable peels. Yes, but students, what are the advantages? हमें क्यों manure use करेंगे? Manures before sowing the seeds, why you should use that manures and what it will benefit for the farmers or what it will gives that nutrients to that what plants will discuss. So let us see advantages of the using manure. First of all, it improve the soil texture. So the उर्वरता मतलब जो मट्टी में हमें अप्लाई करके वो क्या करते हैं, स्मूथनेस कर देते हैं. Okay, it will makes that what a soil texture, it will make that. Second thing, what will happen? It enhances the capacity of soil to hold water. Then whenever there are porous like smoothness, whenever it will make, there will be create that some holes like that, and there whenever that capacity, then that means the soil will be ready to hold the water whenever the rain, or by that we are applying that artificially, we are applying that water by pumps or by wells. Then what will happen? The water will stagnate or that will stay there some more times. Once it will stay, it does not penetrate or to sink into that bottom. Okay, so it will be in the soil, it will stay that down layer, it won't go. That means it has the capacity. It will increase its capacity to hold the water. It will make the soil porous, exchange of gases thus become easier. So when we will add that manures before sowing the seeds, वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो जो मिट्टी है क्या हो जाएगा, उसको छोटा छोटा होल्स हो जाएगा, जैसा स्मूथनेस पोरस हो जाएगा, क्रिएट कर देते हैं. वो पोरस होने के बाद क्या होता है, पानी तो रह सकते और क्या हो सकता, जो पोरस में थ्रू दैट पोरस that air can easily penetrate or pass and it can exchange, can pass and go and come, that can do. So okay, so through that it will be porous and exchange become easier. It increases the number of soil friendly microbes. When we will add that manures, then at that time what will happen? It will be form first already I told soil texture it will increase. Then after what will happen? It increases the microbes that are friendly, that earthworm or any so many different microbes. Earthworm, do you know that also it will will develop and it will be help to that soil texture. Okay, so these are the advantages of using the manures. Did you understand, friends? So and it is not a chemical substances, it does not pollute the water, and it is available in the outside sea. Okay, so now we will discuss about that what are the fertilizers, why we should use that fertilizer. Nowadays you know that, friends, we need that more agriculture. Yes, according to that their compost is very less, limited is there, that less what is that manures are there. So in that much how much we needs that manures, we cannot get that instead of that nutrients we are nowadays what happened, we are doing that chemical substances we are applying, that is called as generally fertilizers, which are manufacturing in the factories. Yes, a large quantity of chemical substances or large quantity of what is that this nutrients or large quantity of this chemical substances those we are applying as a fertilizers, that it is manufacturing in the industry or the factories. How much needs that they can provide that by the industry. So let us discuss about that. What is that fertilizers? These are the chemical substances which are rich in particular nutrients. These are main one important things. What? Suppose rice for we need that nutrients. What is that? Nitrogen or that phosphorus we need. That means nitrogen if you need it, then one nitrogen fertilizers we can apply. Which plants need phosphorus groundnut? That we need that phosphorus more rich phosphorus that fertilizers we can apply. So one particular plants purposes one particular nutrients are required. So that purposes we can apply particular fertilizers. Okay, which particular nutrients required or that particular nutrients contains fertilizers we can apply. Next, fertilizers are prepared in factories. The manures are where we are getting in the farmyard we are getting, or in the farm side, or in our field, or in the house side we are making that manure. But these fertilizers are prepared in that industry or factories. And especially one thing comparably in the fertilizers large quantity we can get, but in manure we cannot get that large quantity or large amount. The most commonly used fertilizers are NPK. NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So these three main nutrients are there. One is nitrogen, one is phosphorus and one is potassium. This is called as a mixing. That means combination of that, and another so many can is there and a diamond that is there. So many fertilizers are there. You can get them. You have to start. It is a chemical substances. Students, one thing very important. This is fertilizers are the chemical substances, but in the manures are organic substances. It causes the water pollution. Whenever we will apply, if you will apply that fertilizer in that agriculture, then if the water bodies are there, water it will make that water pollution. It does not contain only humus. Any humus, whatever that organic substances, it does not contains. But manure it contains that organic substances, organic matter. So it does not contain that any humus. Okay, students, did you understand about that fertilizers? Fertilizers is a chemical substances which are prepared or manufactured in the factories. Okay, and a large quantity. Okay, whatever that we need, and also it helps to transport very easily. One place by packet with bags with sack bag with we can carry easily from one place to another place. But the manure is very difficult to carry one place to another. It is very difficult. And okay, so this is the things about that fertilizers. Next we will discuss about that. What is that next? Crop rotation. Students, you know that crop rotation? Yes, according to the seasons, we are changing the crops in a particular field. That is called as crop rotation. Because if you do like that, then that nutrients will be holds. The nutrients will be stay in that changing that what in that in the field. Okay, and the for next crops for will get that proper nutrient. Otherwise, if the same one type of crop if you do that in one field, then you will lose its what are nutrients. Okay, suppose specially we are doing that crop rotation for leguminous plants we are using. Suppose we are rice doing rice, after we are doing what leguminous plants मूंग or other than, then what will happen, मूंग का रूट्स जो होता उसका अंदर में क्या रह जाता है, वो नाइट्रोजन रह जाता, वो हेल्प करते किसको ना, राइस को. ठीक है, तो जब हमें राइस के बाद में हमें मूंग करते, मूंग का रूट्स में जो नाइट्रोजन बल्स रहता वो मिट्टी में रह जाती थी. वो मतलब जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हमको अप्लाई करना था वो ऑटोमेटिकली विल गेट फ्रॉम द लेगुमिनस प्लांट्स or the roots of the leguminous plants, and that will stay or stored in that water in that soil. Next, whenever we will do rotate that crops, that is rice, then it is helps to that plants or the rice plant. This is called as a crop rotation. So see the right of the definition, friends. The practices of growing different crop in different season in the rotation so that soil is not depleted for its nutrients is called crop rotation. By seasonally we are changing its rotation. Seasonally we are changing what is that crops by that. So that time what will happen, the nutrients will not deplete, it won't be less. Okay. Next we will discuss about that, friends. Leguminous crops are used for the crop rotation. Generally almost all farmers what they are doing after the rice or after that ground or that things we are doing that leguminous. It is easy than other for rotation for that what crop rotation for it is very easy. Next, homework for students, write the differences between fertilizers and manures. In that you have to make the tabulation, and you have to write one side what is that fertilizers, one side what manures. What are the difference? It is one chemical substances, it is one organic substances. It is manufactured in the industry or factories. It is manufactured in the farm or the houses side, and it is polluted the water. It does not pollute that water. Like that, we have to difference. You have to write down. Thank you all of you.